Hey guys, let's face it, the Rand is not doing very well right now. What would you say if I told you that I found a way that you can passively earn euros from the comfort of your own home? Stay right there and I'll show you how. Are you aware that the biggest movie rental company in the world does not own one video store or DVD? The biggest taxi company in the world does not own a single car. The largest gaming company in the world does not sell a single computer game. And as casinos are closing down, more and more people are going online for their gaming. We have found a way that through a small contribution, you can be a part of these upcoming companies, and through crowdfunding, when they make money, you make money. Social platforms are not only the richest, but also the fastest growing companies in the world. And we have made over 17 euro earning millionaires in South Africa alone. If you want to become a part of this wonderful opportunity, simply send an email to info@crowd1team.co.za and one of our representatives will get back to you.